The inspiration for this book came from the realization that something as simple as homegrown seasonal ingredients can change the way you cook and live. It's amazing how much joy can come from planting a few seeds, getting your hands a little dirty, and celebrating food you've grown yourself. I honestly believe that we're wired to grow, and that when we grow the things we love, wonderful things happen. Which is how this book, Grow What You Love, 12 Food Plant Families to Change Your Life, was born. It started with the simple act of planting and picking and eating from the garden, and it grew into this fabulous book. The book features sets of seasonal ingredients such as tender herbs, summer greens, and tomatoes, ingredients that are really the gardener's choice and the chef's choice. And in the book, I outline simple methods for growing your garden, whether it's from scratch or fine-tuning an existing garden. Each of the chapters in the plant directory ends with a recipe or set of recipes that are method-based, so ingredients are easily mixed and matched. And all of the sections in the book, laying the groundwork, the plant directory, and the simple act of growing, are chock full of photos and illustrations and personal notes that are designed to inspire as much as to inform. As I say in the book, the small step of planting and growing your garden is really a small step toward living life a little differently, a little more deliberately, while finding beauty in food, nature, and seasons.